What is the real meaning of vomiting dreams? Today we are going to know all the possible meanings of these type of dreams. So there are some common types of vomiting dreams that people see during sleep. Number 1. If someone sees himself vomiting in a dream, then this dream gives a kind of warning to pay more attention to your health. Otherwise you will have to face any kind of problems related to your body in the coming future. But if someone feels quite relaxed after vomiting in a dream, then this dream is considered very auspicious and indicates the ending of life problems soon. But before that, you will have to leave your past in the past along with a negative attitude towards life. Now, number 2, if someone sees others vomiting in a dream, then this dream also indicates not to trust blindly anybody, even your close ones also, because anybody can harm you for his or her personal gains. Or you should take your beliefs and ideas seriously rather than others' advice, because your heart always gives the best advice for you. Now, number 3, if someone sees vomiting by any stranger in a dream, then this dream indicates not to trust any stranger blindly, even any new strange idea or beliefs also, because any kind of risky project or work will not give you the desired result according to your wish right now. Now, number 4, if someone sees vomiting blood in a dream, then it indicates that you need to change your attitude towards life as soon as possible, because you have all kinds of skills and knowledge to get the desired result in real life. But something like negative thoughts and attitudes is harming you a lot right now. So you need to eliminate these negative thoughts and beliefs for success in real life. Now, number 5, if someone sees vomiting stones in a dream, then this dream is considered very good and indicates that your life problems are going to vanish soon, and you are going to get the desired results in waking life without any kind of hindrance. Now, number 6, if someone sees cleaning his or her vomit in a dream, then it indicates lots of positive changes and success in the coming future. But before that, you should have some patience in real life. But if someone sees cleaning others' vomit in a dream, then it indicates success and progress due to others' help and support. Now, number 7, if someone sees vomiting food or food substances in a dream, then it indicates good luck and success in your work, project or planning. But before that, you will have to choose the right goals according to priority in life, because nobody can get success in all things at once. So now you need to set and focus on your goals according to priority in life. Now, number 8, if someone sees a baby vomiting or a child vomiting in a dream, then this dream gives a kind of warning to cross-check your new work, project or planning, because there is something very important thing is missing that needs your attention right now. Otherwise, you will have to face any kind of problem to achieve the desired result in real life. Now, number 9, if someone sees vomiting worms or insects in a dream, then this dream gives a kind of warning to take care of your health, as well as you should also eliminate negative thoughts and feelings as soon as possible, because these negative thoughts and feelings are harming you a lot on the mental and physical level. Now, number 10, if someone sees vomiting hair in a dream, then it indicates negative thoughts, feelings and attitude towards life due to any reason which is bothering you a lot right now. So to avoid this problem, you should focus on only good and positive things in waking life. Only then you will be able to achieve the desired result in real life. Now, number 11, if someone sees vomiting fish in a dream, then this dream also gives a kind of warning not to start or invest in risky projects or work, because you will not get the desired result right now, because this is the time to have some patience in life. Now, number 12, if someone feels nausea or vomiting in a dream, then it indicates some kind of difficult situation in the coming future that will make you worried. So to avoid these problems, you should focus on your current goals passionately. Only then you will get the desired result in real life. Now, number 13, if someone tries not to vomit in a dream, then it indicates that you have chosen the wrong path in life that will not give you the desired result in the coming future due to many reasons, because you are not ready to change your path in life even knowing after its reality. So to avoid any kind of problems, you should adopt a flexible attitude towards life according to situations and circumstances of life.